Marvel Mystery Oil is tougher than motor oil, efficiently removing all unwanted deposits.
Just a little bit in there. We actually got all the quarts that we need, so I don't want to overfill it. And let's put about 3 ounces in here.
Starting at the fuel pump, carbon deposits are cleaned away, leaving the fuel pump cleaned and lubricated.
And you know, VTEC hits a lot harder when I put it into VTEC, so.
Flowing to the valves, carbon deposits are removed while being lubricated too. Carefully removes deposits from the injector tips, keeping injectors precision clean.
What's going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to be pouring some Marvel Mystery Oil fuel treatment into the fuel tank and into the engine oil. The first time ever into the engine oil. I've been using Marvel Mystery Oil on and off, and this is if you guys know, it's a fuel additive, just like they have Lucas fuel additives. This one you can use in the oil, in the fuel, which is kind of crazy, but it does help lubricate the engine. It does help clean out the engine, clean out the fuel system as they advertise. I've been using this for some time, again, off and on, and you know, every time I put it in the fuel tank in my Civic, I do feel like I notice the car running smoother. When I gun it, I do feel like it pulls a little bit more. But dyno says it pulls a little bit more. So whatever it's doing, it seems like the engine likes it, which is kind of ironic because typically, let's just say when you put a oil catch can on your vehicle, you don't want the used oils from the crankcase going back into the intake, because oil in the combustion chamber actually decreases the combustion. So it's kind of ironic how if I can put this in the fuel, which the fuel is going to go into the combustion chamber when it sprays, when the injector sprays fuel in it. I mean, isn't that the same concept? I'm getting a fuel into the combustion chamber, which should reduce combustion efficiency, but I don't know, for some reason when you put this in the fuel, I feel like it does good. I haven't been really messing around with other additives like Lucas, but I tend to stick with this one because it's the most affordable one, and this is a lot of old school guys actually swear by this that used to build motors and are from like the 80s, and it's still around, and it's the most bang for the buck. And you can look at the advertising, unleash engine power. So let's pour it in and we'll check back, you know, in a couple weeks, see how it does. The main reason I'm going to put this one in the engine for this Hyundai is because, you know, this engine seems to be just having a lot of deposits. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but yeah, just a lot of deposits from the oil. So I'm gonna put some in here, put some in the fuel tank, and we'll really see what Marvel Mystery Oil has to offer. If you guys use these products, comment down below what's your favorite product. What kind of benefits do you guys notice from putting these kind of enhancement fluids in your vehicle? Should you run it, or is it going to actually cause problems? One thing this is actually saying is having this in your fuel tank is beneficial for your injectors because it actually lubricates the tip of the injector on when you turn off the vehicle. So less corrosion and less buildup of deposits actually is gonna form on the fuel injector. So it kind of makes sense, but again, it could be all marketing and I'm not really sure. But like I told you, I do notice the car feels better, feels smoother with Marvel Mystery Oil.
Reduces and prevents varnish and gum buildup. Increased performance and durability. Reduces wear and tear. Increased fuel economy. Helping cold and dry start.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Don't forget to like the video as well. Help the algorithm out, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cool.